What is up, guys, and welcome back to Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series with a brand new spray out. We pick cool Rustoleum colors, we pick pearls, flakes, we shoot them over top, and then we rate them 1 to 5. 1, you don't really care for them. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. Today we've got another crazy cool color combination, and we got a new Rustoleum color, ink blue. So as usual, we got our fender prepped up behind us. Sanded down with 600 grit, cleaned really good with prep all. I'm going to be two-toning it with half gloss black because that's a great color to shoot a Colorshift over, and that's what we're doing today. And half, we're going to try this new cool ink blue color. I'm really interested to see what it does because we're shooting a Galaxy Colorshift over it. So it could shift all kinds of different colors, grays to pinks to purples, who knows? But we're going to find out today. So first, we got to two-tone this fender behind me, and then we'll get to shooting some pearls. So let's go on and get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got the gloss black and the ink blue shot on the fender now. Looks pretty cool. I really like that ink blue color. It's a really deep blue and it's a satin color too. So if you didn't want to put clear over or whatever, it's a really cool color to possibly try out in the future. And we're probably going to use it on some other spray outs as well. But today I've got Galaxy Colorshift Pearl. That's what we're going to be shooting over this. And these are two a little bit on the darker side, so I figured they'd be really great colors to shoot all this over and try to get a good combination. And we're using Speedo Coat Clear as usual. Mix is 4 to 1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. I'm using the medium temp today because it's 70 degrees outside, so it'll be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw an ounce in my little cup. I got 4 ounces of clear, 4 to 1. So I'll put an ounce into this. That's good. And then we're going to add this Galaxy Colorshift Pearl in the mix. I'm not really going to measure it out, just going to spritz some in the mix because this is just for fun and for a test panel so you guys can get a good idea of what this would look like if you decided to take it full scale. So I'm going to spritz a little bit of this in the mix. And I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. All right. So as you guys can see right away, this Galaxy Colorshift is pretty crazy. I see blues, I see pinks, I see, well, a little bit of everything. So I'm really interested to see what this is going to do over that blue and that gloss black. I'm excited, so let's load up our gun real quick and let's get to shooting some pearl. Alright guys, got my Galaxy Pearl loaded up in the paint gun, V-bore gun, 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI if you want to replicate my settings. We're going to put a light coat on first just to introduce everything, make sure we don't get no reactions. And then we'll go from there until we get the desired effect, probably 2 to 3 coats. And then we'll take it outside in the sun and see what we got. So let's put a mask on and let's get spraying. out today. Galaxy Colorshift over gloss black and ink blue satin. Now, I think this was a pretty interesting color combination today. The Galaxy Colorshift kind of sparkled and changed a variety of different colors when the light hit it. Wasn't like your typical coverage pearls. It was pretty neat. But all in all, guys, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. I want you guys to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. If you want to use the pearls, the clear coats, the paint gun, anything you see me use on today's episode, guys, links in the description. Just click As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon storefront, and you can buy everything there. I get a small commission because it helps the channel out, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. Well, guys, I had a lot of fun today spraying this out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll leave me a like and a comment and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss an episode if you like what I'm doing. And that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John Whitley from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless. And I'm out on this one.